Science Center paid $28 million to get the shuttle shipped out here safely and left it up to NASA as to how to do it. But
it's like my toy like that.
There are the thruster control rocket nozzles in the front there that once in outer space sort of maneuver the shuttle around, or used to. These are hinges in black along the sides of the shuttle for the cargo bay doors, windows there and out.
You know, another question that had come up was when they're ferrying it from the airport to the California Science Center, you can't take the wings off of the shuttle.
Hence those trees getting cut down, right? Yeah. It's about a 12-mile journey. It's going to take more than a day.
What a beautiful shot. I mean, as you look at Endeavour, it's polished, right? You could see some of the wear and tear, but again, with 25 missions and circling the Earth more than, what is it, 4,700 times, you would expect to have a little wear and tear on you, but it's still majestic nonetheless.
And correct me if I'm wrong, there's an Apollo or a Gemini capsule at the California Science Center. I don't know which one it is. From one of those, but it's got that same kind of look of wear and tear, and you can see the scorch marks on it.
Coming back from 17,000 miles an hour down to 0. I think that'll do that. You know, it's so funny. We were looking at something on September 21st, 2012, and it just looks so much like the day that the very first shuttle was mated to the back of the 747 to be flown back to the Kennedy Space Center in Florida from Edwards Air Force Base. It's all so similar. It's all so reminiscent. It's really something.
Look at that shot.
And a job well done.
Truly, right? All hands.
We want to go now to Dave Lopez, who is experiencing this at this very moment. Day in history, one that we will never forget. Talk about it, Dave.
Well, it's quite a sight, to say the least. We're just going to stay on Endeavour. No need to see me. I don't want to spoil the picture. But I feel like I can reach out and actually touch those tiles. The man who was at the controls of that 747, I was told, is Bill Reike. And apparently this had been choreographed for months on end. So every move that he made, every twist and turn over Southern California was well orchestrated. And the way the man didn't want to tell me who he was and give me this information, but he said he was having a ball up there. Apparently it was quite not a struggle, but people wanted to know who was going to control the 747 today, and it turned out to be Reike, and he just had the time of his life, no doubt. But everything, nothing was off the cuff. Everything was well orchestrated, all the flybys. The only thing that didn't go to pattern is we were told that the touchdown would be exactly at 12:59, and I was told not 1 o'clock, 12:59. According to my watch, it was 12:52, so they were 7 minutes ahead of schedule. Right now, what they're going to be doing is getting the crew off. There'll be a number of speeches. There was a lot of pomp and circumstance in the music behind, provided by the Open Music Society Foundation. A number of dignitaries are here. The mayor was here a little while ago, and he told me that he knew, this is the mayor's words, he knew that LA would turn out like this. He says Houston, the city of Houston, was the closest bidder. They were very upset they didn't get Endeavour, and that LA won out. And the remark I made to him was, if LA turned out like this for a flyover, what are they going to do when they can see the Endeavour in the streets of Los Angeles on October 12th and 13th? That should be quite a spectacle. The one thing that I find very curious today is all of this hoopla, pomp, and circumstance. People forgetting that this is one of the busiest airports in the world, and the airport's not shut down, folks. We've had jets flying in and out of here. So the coordination is just